वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करोना बड़े में रजम आज के 7th स्टैंडर्ड के साइंस के साथ। और आज का मेरा चैप्टर का नाम है एलिमेंट्स, कंपाउंड्स एंड मिक्सचर्स। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला मेरा क्वेश्चन है, स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स। द वर्ड मैटर्स एंड सब्सटेंस आर सिनोनिम्स। ट्रू। द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज। ट्रू। अ मैटर कैन बी weightless. False. A Greek language, the word atoms means divisible. False. No chemical change takes place during the formation of mixtures, but a new substance is formed. False. Choose the correct answer from the given following. Brass is an example of alloy. Symbol of magnesium is Mg. There are 92 natural occurring elements. A compound is formed by a chemical combination of D, both A and B. Physical and chemical properties of are not the same as the constitute element D compounds. Third, write the names of the elements from the following symbols. Zn, C, D, Xe, Br, Ti, Cu, Fe, Si, Ir, Pt. Symbol Sn zinc, Cd calmel, Xe xenon, Cu copper, Fe iron, Si silicon, Br bromine, Ir iridium. 10th platinum, 9th titanium. Fourth, what are the molecules formula of the following components? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, sodium chloride, glucose, methane. Compound hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sodium chloride, NaLCl, glucose, CH6H12O6, methane, CH4. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. How are the compounds of the mixture separated by simple methods? Answer, in our day-to-day life we are using many simple and easy methods to separate compounds of mixture, such as straining, filtering, sifting, picking, softening, winnowing, combining of magnet with a sublimate. Second, in everyday life, where and for what purpose do we use configuration? Configuration is used to separate more dense, heavier particular form of light particles, like separation of cream from milk. Dry or wet clothes in washing machine. Separating of blood compounds from the blood in lab, etc. Answer the following questions in brief. In which element metals and non-metals, compounds and mixtures do we use in our day-to-day life? Answer, compounds we use in our day-to-day life. Sodium chloride, known as table salt for cooking. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, known as baking powder, used for cooking. Methane, known as gobar gas or biogas. Citric acid, found in lemon juice. Mixtures we use in our daily life: salt and sugar, salt water and sugar water. Concept, salad. Air is a mixture of gases. Alloy are mixture of metals, example brass, bronze, etc. Second, where are the Methods of separating by distillation and by separation of funnel used, and why a distillation is used in fossil fuels industries to obtain material from the crude oil and chemical stocks. Distillation is used in separation of air into different compounds such as oxygen, nitrogen, and argon for industries use. In industry process, the distillation is also used to remove impure from the crucial liquid chemicals. There are many industries which obtain their final product through distillation, such as liquor, perfume, chloroform, etc. Separation by separating funnel is mainly used in chemical industries, chemical companies, etc. F. It is used to separate mixtures of oil and water. Third, what precaution will you take while using the methods of distillation and separation by separating funnel? The following precautions should be followed while using methods of distillation and separating funnels. For separation, use glassware and heating materials very carefully. Use gloves while handling chemicals. There should not be any leakage between the connection in the separating funnel. Allow the solution to get steady. E. When working with flammable liquids such as electron, care should be taken to eliminate as fire hazards. Uh, Proper inspection for setup or plant should be done before starting process. Give scientific reasons buttermilk is shown to get butter. The particles of fat in buttermilk are very tiny and little, hence they remain disturbed in the buttermilk when they do not settle even on being left distributed on the. In the order to extract fat from the buttermilk, we use the principle of centrifugation. In this process, we have to churn the butter milk at a very high speed. Due to the high speed, the force is generated which pushes the fat particles away from the center. As a result, liquid parts in the buttermilk settles at the bottom and the fat comes up due to the force. This process is similar to centrifugation. In chromatography, the ingredients the ingredients of the mixture rise up to a limit height, whereas the water rises up to the upper end of the paper. Answer. In the methods of separation, two properties of substance are used. These are the solubility substance in the solvent that moves up and the ability of the substance to stick to the stationary filter paper. These properties are mutual opposite and are different for different substances. As a result, all the compounds of the mixtures do remain behind as a difficult heights. As a wet cloth is wrapped around the water storage container in summers, water storage are covered with wet cloth during summer to cool the water. The wet cloth acts like an insulator between water storage and outside environment. The water contained by cloth evaporates continuously and takes the heat from the storage. Thus, the water loses its heat and gets cool. तो आज के लिए बस नहीं आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.